Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use credit on Just Eat. So let's get into the video. So open up Just Eat and then log into your account. So you need to be logged into your account to do this. So once you've logged into your account here, so you can use your credit if you have some credit in the form of a voucher or a gift card. So you can use that, but prior using it you need to add it to your account first. You need to add that credit to your account. So once you've added it to your account, then you can use it. So to add it, you simply have to, as I said, log into your account and then hover over to your profile here, and then you will have an option called redeem a gift card or voucher. So depending on whatever the credit is from, so for example if it's a voucher, so I will just hit on redeem a voucher and then just click on it, and then you will see your balance here at the moment is 0. So what you have to simply do is add your credit voucher here, so the credit voucher code, and then hit on OK. And then once you hit on OK, then this credit balance will be added. The balance will be added to your credit. So now you will have credit on your account. So since you have credit added to your account now you're all good to just place any order using that credit. So just place any order using the credit here, and then when you get to checkout page, you can simply select your credit here. You can just pay using your credit here. So that's how you can use credit on Just Eat. It's pretty easy and straightforward. All you need to do is just add the credit to your account first. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.